How to edit Snapchat story. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. You can edit and view your profile information. Scroll down a little bit and tap on the three dots in the story section. Then, you will see this menu. Select the option Autosave Snaps to Memories and toggle it off. Then, tap on the option Rename Story. Rename your story and tap on Top. Tap on the three dots again, and this time select the option Edit Viewers. Choose your viewer from the list of friends. You can also delete the snap if you want from this menu. So, by following these easy steps, you can edit your Snapchat story.